Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage your inventory. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to equipment. Enter inventory, and here you can manage your materials. These are mostly to upgrade your blaster and clothes. Then you can go to key parts, valuables. Right here you can check your credits and stolen items. As you can see, next to the item name is information that this item can be sold safe or can have some use later. In the end you can find your quest items. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.